Hey, what's up guys? My name is Cisco. Welcome to my channel, Machine Gun Funnels. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a landing page using WordPress, Elementor Pro, and how to integrate it with your GetResponse autoresponder. With that said, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell icon so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. And let's get started, guys. Alright guys, so we're at the back end of our WordPress website. And I want to be here in Pages, right? So in Pages, you want to go ahead and click Add New Page. So I'm going to create this. This is going to be my landing page, okay? Landing page. All right. Now, keep in mind, I have the Astra theme installed. Okay, this is the Astra theme that I have installed. So what I want to do now is where it says site layout, I want to go to sidebar. I want to click on no sidebar, and then in content layout, I want to go ahead and do this full width. Now all these page elements, I want to turn them off, turn them all off. Okay, they're all disabled. Now I want to go ahead and click on publish. So now our page is published. But what we need to do, guys, in order for this page to work is you want to go here under appearance, and you want to go to customize. You wait for this to load up. Then in customize, you go down here to homepage settings. Okay, you click on homepage settings and you select from your homepage displays, you want to select a static page. Now under homepage, you want to click on this drop down, and I want to select the page that I just created. So in my case, landing page. Then I want to go ahead and publish this. Okay, and don't worry guys, if you don't see anything here, that's what we're about to build. Now we get out of here. We already published that. We go back to our pages. So in our pages, under landing page, we're going to click on edit this page. And what we want to do is we want to edit this, but with Elementor. So in my case, guys, like I said, I have the Elementor Pro installed. The reason why I have it installed is because I find it easier to add in this opt-in form. I know that you can add in opt-in forms with the regular version or the free version, but you need to add in other types of plugins, and I really don't know how to do that, guys. So that's the reason I'm using the Elementor Pro. But once we're in the back end, what you want to do is you want to click on this little plus sign here, add new section, and it's going to give us these different structures. The structure that we want to use, guys, is this complete structure. As you can see, it's complete. I want to click on that, and then I want to add in my headline at the top. So the top part, it's going to have my headline. I already have it pre-written, guys. So what I want to do here is just go ahead and copy this. All right, so free video reveals, and then I go to these 9 little dots, and on the widget section, I want to drag in this heading widget that says right here. You just click on it and you drag it in there and you drop it. Okay, perfect. Now once you drop it in there, you want to make sure that you center it, and we want to obviously add in the text that we have written or pre-written, whatever the case may be. So I added in my text. Now I want to go back and get the second part of my headline. Okay, so we copy that, go back here, and then again to the 9 little dots, drag and drop this in here, add in our second part of the headline, and we want to center this. And now our final part of the headline. So we go back to our notepad, without giving up your favorite foods. Okay, so once again, we grab our heading widget, put it right underneath, and we paste in our last piece of the headline. We center it again. Now what you want to do, guys, is you want to obviously change the color. So in my case, this is the page that this is the BioFit page that I'm promoting. So these are the text colors that she uses in her landing page. So I want to keep mine congruent, so therefore I'm going to make these yellow as well. And for that, guys, I suggest that you download this Chrome extension called Colorzilla. Okay, it's a free extension. You go ahead and you click on it, and then all you do is just hover over the area that you want to copy. So in my case, oh, I'm sorry, I want the yellow, not the purple. So I hover over this yellow text, click on it, copy it, go back to mine, and then in here I want to go ahead and select this heading section, go to style, and then I don't want this blue color, so I'm going to replace it with my yellow. All right, and I also want to change in the typography, so I want to make this Poppins. Okay, and I want to also make it a little bit bigger, so it's going to be 35. I think that's good. I'm going to leave the weight as is. I'm going to do the same for my second piece of text. Go back, and in style, I want to go ahead and replace that blue with the yellow. Get rid of this, and then typography. Again, I'm going to use the Poppins just for the sake of the video, and I want to make this bigger. So I want to make it about, I think 60 should be good. Yeah, 60 is good. I'm going to leave it at 60. And what I like to do is the line height, I like to make it a little bit more, not so much apart. I think that looks okay. And then my last piece of heading right here, I'm going to go ahead and style it as well. So I'm going to change this blue again for the yellow. Then I want to make this Poppins. Okay, you want to make sure you keep it all congruent. And then you want to make this my 35, right? I'm sorry. 35. Boom. So it's the same size as the top one. It looks good. I mean, it's not the best probably that you've seen, but it looks pretty decent. It will get the job done, trust me. And we get out of here, guys. And then what I want to do now is I want to add in the purple to this background section here. Okay, so for that, what I do is I go here, and now I'm going to select my purple color. So I click on my ColorZilla extension, hover over the purple, click on it, go back to my landing page, and then in this intersection, I want to click on it, and then in style, under background type, I want to click on classic, and then in classic, I want to go to color, and then just paste in my purple color, and voila, there you go. You have your purple background in your landing page. Okay, now you want to go ahead and update. You always want to update. Sometimes I forget to update, and I should update more often. So now I go to advanced, guys, and then I want to give this some padding, right? So I want to make this 35. I think 35, it's okay. And at the bottom, I want to also make it 35, I think. Yeah, 35 is good. That'll work. Now what you want to do is you want to add in your opt-in form. So for that, same thing. You just go here to your structure section here. You click on this, you select your structure. I'm going to once again select this one, the complete one, and then go to my nine little dots, okay? And then in my 9 dots, I want to look for this widget that's called form, all right? We click on it, drag it, drop it, all right? So it's going to put in this contact form, but it's pretty easy to customize. All you need to do, guys, is, of course, I'm not going to use a name. I just wanted to collect emails. I don't really care for names right now. So I'm going to get rid of name. I'm going to get rid of message. All I'm going to keep is just email and the send button. But I also want to get rid of label. So I don't want that thing on top that says email. Now what I want to do is input size. I want to make, so this is the form field. I want to make it large. Okay. I don't want people to have an excuse not to put in their email address. And then I want to also, here where it says email, I want to go to column width and then select, I want to make this 66%. Okay, so this is going to be 66%. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this for now. Okay, go to buttons, do the same thing in buttons. So for size, I want to make this button extra large. Okay, and then column width, again, 66. And that's perfect. Now I want to change this call to action to watch video now. All right. So watch video now. That's going to be my call to action. I want to style this a little bit, this button. So for that, I'm going to go to buttons right here, and then I'm going to copy the color from this button, this yellow I like. So I'm going to go to ColorZilla, copy it. All right. Go back to my button, and then I want to click here on background color. I'm going to paste that in there. Get rid of this. I want to paste that in there too. All right. Perfect. Now what I want to do, guys, is I want to also change the typography. So I'm going to make this just for the sake of the video, I'm going to make it Arial. I'm going to give this the weight of 800, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger also. That's too big. So I'm going to say 30. That should work good. That should be good, I think. Okay, now I want to center this, guys. So for that, all you do is go here to the Advanced tab, click on select this Margin tab, and then I want to give this. So I want to say 10 to the right, and then I want to say 270. Okay, that looks pretty centered to me, guys. I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comments. All right, and I want to add in my text right here, letting people know that I'm not going to spam them, rent or sell their information. Okay, so I copy that, and then I go back here, and I want to add in this text editor widget. So I add it right underneath my opt-in form. I get rid of this. Okay, let me get rid of that dot. Okay, so I paste in my my will not spam information, and then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and center it. Okay, and then the typography, I want to change the size to 20. I think that looks okay, and I want to bring this up a little bit. So in padding, no, it's not padding, it's in margin. I want to say I want this to be 15. Yeah, 15. That should be good. Okay, now again, guys, don't forget to update that. And something I was forgetting to do is here, I want to go ahead, guys, and also give this some padding, right? So I want to give this some padding from the top. So I did unselect this, guys, and now I want to make this 30 from the top, and then from the bottom, I want to make it 200. And for some reason, I got rid of that. No, I wanted to do it in this one. So it's not, all right. So never mind that, guys. Scratch this. That was my mistake. I selected this one, but it's actually this one that I needed to select, this intersection right here. So you select that one, go to Advanced, and then in padding, you unselect that. So I want to say 30 here from the top, and then from the bottom, I want to say 200. Okay, so that brings this down. What I want to do, guys, okay, so don't forget to update. Now, the final part to this landing page, as far as the customization is, you want to add in your at least a privacy policy page, depending on where what type of ads you're gonna be driving to this page. In my case, I'm doing Microsoft ads, so all I need is really a privacy policy page. I added this FDA compliance page just for the hell of it, but I think you should be good with this. But for the purpose of the video, guys, I'm going to add both pages. And by the way, if you want to generate a free privacy policy, all you have to do is just go to Google and search for free privacy policy generator. That should be good enough. And all you do is just put in your URL, and boom, you're good to go. It's going to generate this for you. So okay, guys, so I want to start off with my privacy policy page. So for that, I'm going to go here, copy this, okay. And then in my page, I want to go to structure, and I'm going to select this double structure here, this divided structure. Okay, and I'm going to go to my 9 little dots and add in the heading here, because what I want to put in is privacy policy. I want to center this. I want to make this that purple color, this purple color. Okay, so I go to my ColorZilla extension, click on that. Replace that blue with the purple color. Boom, we're good to go with that. Now what you want to do, guys, is here where it says link, okay, you want to add in the page. You know, you probably have to have created it, right? So you want to copy that, add it in there, you want to paste it, and then what you want to do is you want to click on update. So that's good to go right there, guys. Now we're going to do the same thing, and again, you could customize this a little bit more. You know, you could make the typography a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, change the family to whatever you want it to be. For the sake of the video, I'm going to leave it as is. I'm just going to go to my next one, okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and my widget, drag it, drop it in there, and I'm going to say this is going to be my FD compliance. Okay, I copy that. And I'm a slow typer, guys. That's the reason that I prefer to do this, just to, not to bore you with my typing. And then I want to center that. Again, just style the color, change it to your purple color. So I'm probably gonna have to choose it again. Okay, I don't know what I did there. So go back, choose it again, guys. Paste it in there, and there you have it. Now, what you want to do is you want to add in, obviously, your URL. Okay, there you go, and you want to update that. There you have it, guys. This is my very basic landing page, just a headline, my opt-in form, and these two compliance pages. Now, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to integrate this with your GetResponse account, or your GetResponse list, I should say. Okay, so for that, you want to go and you want to click on this, because we're going to be working on our opt-in form. Okay, so once we click on that, we go to content. And then in content, right here where it says, let me see, in buttons, there's nothing to do. We already did everything. We just go to actions after submit. Now, I usually leave this alone, guys. I don't do anything. I leave collect submissions. I leave email. And then I just select this one and click redirect. Then select this plus sign again. And I look for my get response. Add it in there. That's it, guys. I don't do anything else to it. Under collect submissions, you don't need to do anything. Under email, if you want to change this email address, by all means, or if you want to customize, the subject line or whatever it is you want to customize here, just have a look at it and change it. And then in the redirect, this is very important, guys, because this is where your affiliate link is going to be. Okay, you want to make sure that you are sending people as soon as they opt in to your affiliate product. Okay, so I grabbed this here. I'm going to make believe that this was my affiliate link. Obviously, you would want to be in the back end of your ClickBank or whatever network, JVZoo, whatever it is that you're promoting, and you want to grab your affiliate link. I'm going to copy this as if it was my affiliate link. Go back here and then just paste it in there. All right, you want to paste it in there. That's fine. Get rid of this, and then go to my get response. And then in my get response, guys, you want to make sure that you have yours created. You have a get response account created. I already have one. I already have a list that I'm going to be adding in there. And what you want to do here is you want to integrate it, and for that you want to go ahead and search for your API key. Okay, so right here in the menu, in the 9 dots again, you go to your integrations and API, click on that. Then you want to click on your API, and obviously if it's a new account for you, you're not going to have one. So what you want to do is you want to click on this generate API key button, this blue button, and then it's going to give you the API just as it has given it to me here. And what I want to do is I want to copy it, go back to my landing page, and then I want to select where it says API. I click on the drop down and I want to select custom. All right, I want to paste in my API key right there, and then it's going to propagate my list, all the lists that I've created in GetResponse. So for that, I click on this drop down, and I'm going to select the list that I want to use. So it's the biofit list. All right, and then here where it says field mapping, right next to email, because I'm only going to be using the email field. Don't forget, I want to go ahead, click the drop down, and just select email. That's it, guys. That's all you need to do. You click on update, and now, guys, I'm going to show you what it's supposed to do. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to copy my URL. Okay, I'm going to copy it, go to an incognito window. So go to my incognito window. All right, paste it in there. All right, and it's not bad, right? I mean, it's getting me the job done. That's what matters to me. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to paste in, I'm going to put in my email address, and I'm going to click on this button. Okay. Now, boom, as you can see, guys, it has redirected me to my affiliate offer. This is the page where I want to send people right after they opt into my form. I want to give them a chance to purchase the product. If not, that's what the emails are for. Your email strategy, your email marketing strategy. That's what it's for. So guys, I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, please don't forget to like the video. leave a comment down telling me what you like, what you didn't like, what I can improve, whatever you want to let me know. That's totally fine, guys. And yeah, don't forget to click on that notification bell icon. Get notified every time I drop a video, which is on Saturdays. And with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I see you in the next video. Peace.